Dear students, today we are going to discuss a poem written by a Parsi poet named K.N. Daruwala, and the title of the poem is Fire Hind. I repeat, the title of the poem is Fire Hind. Let's begin the poem. Before going to start the poem, let's discuss the career of Daruwala as a poet. K.N. Daruwala is known for his satirical tone. So he uses poetry to attack on some social problem or some political problem also. So indirect attack is the main focus of K.K. Daruwala. His poetry is full of anger and contempt. Contempt means he is not satisfied with the current position of the society. In most of the poems, K.K. Daruwala expresses his anger. Why he is angry? Because Daruwala is not happy, not satisfied with the current condition of society, condition of politics, condition of customs in our country. That's why he attacks on the social problems, the social faults in his poetry. And he uses a different type of tone. He attacks on that problem with satire, right? He attacks, he tries to point out, he tries to highlight the problem in a very satirical tone. आपण म्हणतो ना तिरप्या भाषेत बोलणे किंवा टोमणे देण्याची भाषा, it is called satirical tone. And he also presents the same thing in the words of anger and contempt. He also attacks the Indian lifestyle, and according to Daruwala, the Indian lifestyle is quite dull and passive. Indian people don't have any kind of spirit like that. Okay? So the poet expresses the landscape through his poetry. Landscape means natural beauty. Means in his poetry, he uses the social topic, right, along with the description of the nature. So we can have two attitudes in his poetry. One is satirical tone with anger, and second is the description of nature. So many natural things, just like jungles, rivers, and many other natural objects are expressed by Daruwala in his poetry. Daruwala, right, is a very important name in Indian writing in English poetry, right, in 1970s. As I told you that Daruwala is known for his anger. So he presents the topic in the harsh way. He uses many harsh words to express his thoughts and feelings. Daruwala does not like corruption. So he highlights the issue of corruption. That's the biggest challenge in India. Right? And he also expresses ethical and moral consciousness in his poetry. Ethical means human values. Many human values are discussed by the poet in his poems, just like honesty, love, cooperation, brotherhood, and many more. So we can say that Daruwala's poetry is just like a mixture of poems, mixture of feelings. We can have anger, we can have satirical tone. Yes, we also have human values. Means some message is given by the poet, and he tries to teach us morality, what humanity is. Right. So this satirical tone, this anger, use of harsh and strong words makes his poetry a little bit bitter. कडवटपणा त्याच्या कवितेमध्ये आपण दिसतो. कडवटपणा. And we don't find romantic words or let's say soft words in his poetry. So bitter words, harsh words, attacking words are used by the poet in his poetry. Right? Another feature, another quality of his poetry is that he has the mood of depression in his poetry. As we know that he is not satisfied with the Indian condition. He is not satisfied with the mentality of the Indians. Right? So how Indian people they are behaving, how Indians have attitude regarding other fellow Indians, right? How Indians are mad for corruption, how Indians are losing their ethical and moral consciousness, how they are just avoiding human values in their behavior, right? How India is becoming more and more corrupt country, right? So because of all these negativity in his poetry, this negativity creates a tone of depression in his poetry. What is the meaning of depression? Yes. Yes. What is depression?
Tension.
Tension. Okay. What is depression? It is called hatash, nirash, Marathi. Right. The poet is very what you say helpless. अतिशय निराश आहे भारतातल्या कंडिशनवर भारतीय लोकांबद्दल त्यांचं काहीच होऊ शकत नाही. Right? Hopeless like that. And Daruwala also discuss the two important things in his poetry, that is fatalism and meaningless rituals. What is fatalism? Yes. Fatalism.
प्राणघातक.
Fatalism. Fatal. Okay, pranaghatak. That's it. But the other word, other meaning of this word is दैववादी, नशीबवादी म्हणतो आपण त्याला. काही झालं तर आपण काय म्हणतो नशीब तसं आहे. Right? So we depend on this destiny very much. This is the Indian mentality. Second is meaningless rituals. What is rituals? Rituals, please. Rituals. Yes, meaning of rituals.
विधी रीति रिवाज.
Yes, yes, yes. Customs. Riti Rivas, Parampara. Marriage is a ritual. मंदिरात आपण अभिषेक करायला जातो, इट्स रिच्युअल, राइट. दारूवाला also attacks on meaningless rituals. So he tells us, he tries to describe that Indians are very much mad for such rituals, and these rituals are meaningless. As we know that the Parsi community, they are not Hindu, right? They are not Hindu, right? And they are from a different community, that is Parsi community. The Parsi community, as they belong from a different culture, they belong from a different language also. Their customs are different, their rituals are different, right? And Daruvala tries to attack on such meaningless rituals in general and meaningless rituals in particular. Particular in the sense in Hindu community. So he observes the rituals of the Hindu people and attacks on it by saying meaningless, right? So he also tries to portray India by striking a balance between the outer reality and his inner consciousness of it. So in his poetry, he tries to share the real picture of India, the real face of India. So Daruwala just tries to share his observations in his poetry. He tries to show the real India. This is the general status of his poetry.